Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing, and this is the world's smallest 3G phone, the Zanco Tiny T2. It is about the size of my thumb, so this is about the real size of the phone apparently. There you have it, Zanco. It shows you the side, smallest 3G phone, side, and as you can see, here's some of the details. So let's unbox this, shall we? Dun, 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 dun. I got this more as a joke than anything else. It's kind of like the Zoolander phone, basically. It's super small. Look at this. Look how tiny that is, okay? And then, so that's the phone. We've got a little divider here, foam, and we've got another little divider with a stuck cable. Of course, micro USB right here, and then there's some instruction manual. So this is definitely not a smartphone. As you can imagine, safety regulations, table of contents, and then the most important thing right here, the buttons. So that's it, folks. Let's have a look, shall we? It tells you how to use the SIM card. Oh, it takes micro SD. Let's remove the packaging from this. I hope there is an end I can peel. There we go. That's it. There's really not much to it. I assume there's a battery pre-installed. There we go. And that's it. Check it out. It's tiny. It's Zanco. So there's a little flap here. Let's see if we can open this up. Yeah, so this is where you put the SIM and the micro SD. So this is on the left-hand side. On the bottom, there's nothing. On the right-hand side, there's nothing. And on top, there's a tiny headphone jack and USB. And then, of course, the numpad, call and hang up, and menu buttons, and the world's smallest D-pad. Let's turn it on, see if it turns on. Yes. So there's a battery in there. I'm not sure if it's removable. I'm gonna see if it looks like the back has been sealed. I didn't show you the back. So the back has a camera of unknown spec, a speaker, and a flash, and the Zanco logo. Ooh, look at that. You can set it up. It comes in different languages. Oh, and it beeps when you use that. So let's do English. Done. And I say I have to insert a SIM to set the date and time. But here you go. You can see there's a menu button. And here are the options you have. Phone book. Not sure if this is going to work. Entertainment. Settings. Multimedia, messaging, organizer, phone book, etc. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you, but just to give you some perspective, this is a Pixel 4 XL. All right. So this is my Pixel 4 XL, and this is the Zanco Tiny T2. We're talking small. All right. Small. But it's a bit of a joke, so I'm just going to try this out and let you know how it pans out. So that's it, folks. The Zanco Tiny T2 here in my hands. And I'll let you know how this works out in the podcast. Remember that the podcast is the main part, so you should subscribe to the podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com, on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Pocket Cast, Spotify. If you go there, please rate the podcast and give us a review, us being my guests and I. Subscribe and tell your friends. And then, of course, subscribe to the channel, like this video, tell your friends, click the little notification bell below, comment below as well, and stay tuned for more unboxing videos soon. That's it, folks. Cheers, everybody.